peri sauce for NomNomSaffaFood. It's one of the things I miss the most. Can't find proper South African peri peri sauce here. There's Nando's, but it's not the same as much as I do love Nando's. But in South Africa, I don't know, the peri peri was just richer, more delicious. I don't know what it is. So I've hunted down the perfect peri peri recipe. If you can remember, there was a long square bottle of a Portuguese style peri peri sauce you used to be able to buy in South Africa. I used that to do prawns on the skorpel. So it's very similar to that. Absolutely delicious. Not that hot, can make it more hot if you want, but divine. So let's get cracking. The ingredients are pretty simple. A couple lemons, the trick is to find bird's eye chilies, loads of garlic, olive oil, some smoked paprika, some salt. There is an option, you can add a teaspoon of sugar or a little bit of port. I prefer not to. Once you've got everything together and all mixed up, you literally just blitz it with the blender, and voila, peri peri sauce. Pull in, let's blitz. And into the bottom it goes. Nom nom. And there it is, nom nom peri sauce. You can have it with prawns, you can have it with chicken. If you're going to do a peri peri chicken, what I like to do is marinate the chicken in a little bit of lemon first, and then use this to baste it while you're either on the rye or in the oven. You can do peri peri with livers, whatever you want for peri peri, this is it.